no. Hang on, baby. Look. Oh,
what's the matter, baby?
Look, baby, look. Look.
You don't know what to think with the first bath, do you? Huh? Come on. Let's get wet. Get your toy.
Here, come here.
She said, this is the closest way out.
Here, come here, baby. Look. Look. No, she ain't interested. Here.
That's a good girl. There you go. Get that toy.
She keeps sticking her nose in it.
See, that's just a little water. Don't stick your nose in it. Look at that. That's enough. Okay, Bella. Zoe. You got me saying Bella already.
Oh. What? It's okay, baby. Come on, let's hurry up and get this over with.
Okay, Mama. Get her wet.
Okay.
Don't that feel good? Uh-oh, she's disappearing. What happened to that big old body? I'm right here.
It's okay,
baby. What? Her body disappeared. It looks like a wet rat.
Oh, Lord.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Looks like a papillon now.
She does.
See, that's not so bad.
Ooh, ooh.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, baby.